Good morning, students. Today, in chapter 15, we will talk about some natural phenomena. I am Nishu Arora, your science teacher. Now, in this video, we will talk about lightning, the causes of lightning, and how we can save ourselves during lightning and thunderstorm. So, let's learn what natural phenomena is. As the name suggests, it is a man-made event. For example, when there is high tides, when there are natural disasters like volcanic eruptions, earthquake and cyclones, which you have read in class 7th, all these are natural phenomena. Now we are going to talk about lightning. Now lightning is a sudden flow of electricity accompanied by thunder. Thunder is the loud noise which we hear before lightning that occurs during electric storm. Now before, we don't know the causes of lightning. It was believed that the lightning is a curse of God. But now, due to the efforts of Benjamin Franklin, an American scientist who discovered that lightning was a electric discharge, the discharge like we have in lighter, or there is between the electric wires, the same discharge is there in lightning. Now the lightning occurs when the clouds they got rubbed with air currents and water, and there is a huge flow of current. Now do you know how we can save ourselves during thunderstorm and lightning? So let's see. If you are indoors, open vehicles like motorbikes, trucks, open cars are not safe. Now when you are outside, the tall trees are not safe. You should not stand below the tall trees because the danger of lightning fall on them is very high. Carrying an umbrella is also not safe. And if you are in forest, take shelter under short trees. Avoid tall trees. In an open field, stay away from trees, poles, even the electric poles are not safe. Metallic objects are not safe. Do not lie down. You can squat on the ground. If you are inside the house, then you should deplug all the appliances, TV, computers. It is safe to use mobile phones instead of the landline phones. Bathing should be avoided as the water is good conductor of electricity. So I hope the points are clear to you. Thank you.